Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to install iOS 26 beta on any iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the developer app on your iPhone. You can just click on the spotlight search for developer to open it. Sign into your iCloud account. Click on account on the navigation. Then scroll down account, locate Apple developer program and then click on enroll. Or better still, click on this link and open this on a browser. Once open that on a browser, then click on start your enrollment. You'll be prompted to sign into your Apple account. Once you sign into your Apple account, then go ahead and then become a developer. Once you become a developer, go back to your iPhone settings. On the settings, scroll down, locate and click on general. Click on software update. After that, come to where you see beta update, click on it. Then you should see iOS 26 developer beta. Then select it, hit the bar button, refresh the software update page. Then you should see the iOS 26 developer beta or iOS 26 beta available for you. In this case, the file is about 11.8 gigabytes. So go ahead and click on update now. Then type in your iPhone passcode and then follow the prompt to download and install the iOS 26 beta on your iPhone. And that's it. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.